Hello, folks. Happy Tuesday. A few weeks ago, I put out a poll to gauge where everyone was at in their voice work so that I knew kind of the best place to start creating some free content for the group, just to get some feelers out. And your poll actually shocked me. Overwhelmingly, the most popular response was that voice work was new to you and you didn't know where to start and needed help. So, I transparently have been spending most of my summer creating this like incredibly comprehensive learning program for gender voice work. And I realize now that I want to dial it down and like dial it back a bit so that it actually starts at the very beginning. Um, so, because it hurts me that like 90% of you felt lost and like didn't know where to start. So that's why I've been a little bit radio silent for the last week and a half. I'm working night and day to just reiterate the beginning of that program, and I'll be relaunching it for the fall. So it's going to start basically from vocal square one. If you're not at square one, don't worry. There'll be an opportunity where we meet one on one personally, and I can assess like where you're at in your voice journey and if you need to start a little bit further on. So the program is intentionally not designed for quick fixes. Honestly, I mean it's going to be more of like a long form program, like a monthly membership type thing, because there unfortunately is no magic pill or one quick trick that you can do to find your authentic voice. Gender voice work really is like a lifelong journey, though we can make great transformation pretty quick in the beginning. So I'm creating a program that acts as a roadmap, and with all of the support and feedback you can have there. So if you'd like to get on the wait list for that, just comment waitlist below and I'll send you more info directly in the coming weeks, so that you can get in on like the early bird offering of that program. And as I get closer to launching, you'll be hearing from me more often. So I'll be sharing like an inside look into everything the program covers and also do some free workshops leading up to it. So if you are down and want to join a community of your peers looking to further their gender voice work, you can comment waitlist, like I said, and I'll reach out to you directly over the coming weeks with some more information. Cool. Yay. Hope to see you there. Hi, people live. I see Violet says she has not started yet. That's exactly what this is for. Like I mentioned earlier, the poll showed me that overwhelmingly people in this group haven't started their voice work yet because they don't really know how or know where to start, or they have some trepidation or reservations about what they can actually do with their voice. And I'm here to tell you, like, you can hit your voice goals 100%, and I can help you do that. So yeah, comment waitlist below, and I'll let you know as soon as that launches. And thanks for coming to my TED Talk.